Hello, and thank you for clicking on the link to find out more about PressReader, your new service from Neathport Talbot Libraries, which gives you unlimited, instant access to over 7,000 of the world's best-known newspapers and magazines. Available in over 65 languages from more than 100 countries. PressReader will transform how you keep up to date with both the local and international news, and it's all available at the click of a button. Now, here's a video showing you how to sign up, get started, and an idea of what you can expect from PressReader.